Hello and welcome to Creighton Middle School's Open House. My name is Margaret Varner and this video is for my students in reading strategies and reading lab classes. So if I have your student for French, there is a different video for my French classes. So please click on over to that if you are a French parent, French student's parent. Otherwise, welcome to my reading strategies, reading lab students and parents. Again, my name is Margaret Varner, and I'm delighted to have your child in class this semester. This is a one semester course, and want to take a few minutes tonight to show you a few things about how our class is working and what we're up to. So let me share the screen. As you know, during this virtual phase, everything we're doing is taking place on Microsoft Teams, and your students have adapted very well to that. And so what you're looking at now is an example of a class Teams page. So this is where we meet. We meet Monday through Friday, and your students come to me either for the 6th grade or 7th grade class, respectively. And we have a 40-minute class, and they get in here. They're doing a great job of signing in on time, and we hit the ground running. So what you see here is the general channel, which is kind of the landing pad for where our class starts. And on the left, there's more information. You can click on any of these for more information. So course requirements and information would give you some background, more detail and specifics about the actual units and details of the course. And then I wanted to point out Rti Fridays also. And in addition, the reading class pages also have a channel for what's called vocabulary, and we're using that quite a bit. And I'll come back to Rti Fridays in just a minute. Let me show you up across the top. You see assignments up here. And when I give assigned work, classwork, or quizzes or tests, it is via this button assignments, and they know to click on that and sure that they know, and they hear from me if they have not done it. So they click on this. This is working very well, and then they would go to the details of the assignment, and it would give them the due date, and then they know how to resubmit it to me, okay, for a grade. And speaking of grades, the grades in this class follow the Richland 1 grading scale, so that is consistent with your child's other classes. And as I mentioned, Rti Fridays, Friday is the designated day for extra help, extra time, extra resources if your child needs it, and or if they've been absent and they need to come and make some work up or find out more about what they missed. And that is working very well. Fridays, the time designated for that is from 2 p.m. to 3:45. They also know that if they need to come on a different day and they are not obligated to go to another RTI, they may contact me and we can make arrangements. So because I do have other time during that 2 to 3:45 time slot, I have some other days available depending on meetings and training and planning, but they sometimes have to go to their other classes for that. So that is something that's working out just fine for now. I mentioned the vocabulary. It has been a great resource for us for these first few weeks, and we're using it for most of the first 9 weeks as one of our primary resources. It is helping build their vocabulary skills, finding the main idea, some word attack skills, and in general, reading comprehension. So that we typically are doing it as a group to start the class, and then we may break out into smaller groups or individual work, depending on the lesson and the day and the needs of the students. So that is working well. We will use a few other resources this semester, News ELA, some content related things I can pull from Discovery Ed, and current events also from the vocabulary has a new line called current events, the weekend wrap, which the students are excited about. So I'm very excited to be teaching your students, and we have had a great start to the year. So I wanted to also let you know that if you need to contact me for any reason, please reach out. The best way would be email, and my email is on the school website under the directory. It's also listed here on our page under the course information. So margaret.varner@richland1.org. And your students are very good also at contacting me through the chat feature of Teams. So if they had a question about something in class is out, they can send me that, or they could answer a response via that. So that has worked well. So I'm very proud of your students. I'm certainly enjoying getting to know them, and it's a privilege to teach them. So I appreciate your time and support, and I look forward to a great rest of the semester with your students. So thank you so much. Take care and stay safe.